Tallyfor and Xero work together to make tax season a breeze. From your client screen, you can quickly onboard a Xero client by hitting the Kickstart from Xero button. Go ahead and find the client. At this point, we always recommend popping in your own internal ID for that client. And let's hit the onboard button and get the process started. We'll fetch a bunch of data from Xero and do our best to pre-assemble a tax binder for you. Any accounts that need to be mapped can be tackled through the UI right here. And these mappings are done based on the report codes in Xero. A number of the mappings, like meals and M1s, will trigger automated tax adjustments. And obviously, we can make adjustments on our own, like for depreciation. So let's go ahead and enter the required info. It's going to be a memo, an account, and the balance, debits, and credits. You'll note that you have book, reclass, and tax options. This here, once finished, will be a book JE. And when we select that, we'll note that the Post Book JEs button lights up. And if you hit that, you can send this journal entry right back into Xero. Just click through the modals. And when you land back in Tallyfor in your journal entry area, you'll see that the journal entry sync has been completed. And we'll see that we have a copy of that journal entry over in Xero. And if there were any issues, we could copy or reverse that and post the reversing entry if needed. Last bucket of items that you'll do in here will involve your supporting documents, and you'll see in the attachments column these chips where I've already started adding some documents. Let's add some to our assets. And it's as simple as drag and drop. And the system will automatically annotate and create a cross-reference with that document. What that'll do is that'll allow you to reference it and open it from the trial balance screen. You'll find these documents associated with the respective accounts in your reports. And then in the tax work papers section, Tallyfor builds a file directory that you can later use alongside all the other docs and reports to assemble a binder. This binder will be an organized and annotated PDF that also includes bookmarks for all the respective elements. When the time is right, you probably want to take this and download it, place it in your document storage. Also, if you need the reports from Tallyfor, go ahead and hit any of the download buttons from the report screens. And if you can't push book JEs into your client Xero organization, you can download this file and import it directly. And then lastly, download the tax file to pop into your tax software. Eligible partners can get a free year of Tallyfor. Head to tallyfor.com/Xero to get started.